out, everybody? Michael, Venice Diesel Equipment Service. This is actually going to be a follow-up to a very old video. It's going to be one of my very first videos. I've had a lot of comments and people had stuff to say, music video, whatnot. You know what? Y'all weren't wrong. But I'm gonna correct it right here, right now, and this will help a lot of people along the way also. So, on the video with the Ford 3-point hitch fix that didn't really provide y'all much relief, let me show you. If your pump is pumping and you're not airlocked and you've gotten your, air past your filters and all that good stuff, and she just ain't gonna lift, alright? Your 3-point just ain't gonna lift. It should, but it's not going to. You're going to need to pull your 3-point hitch top, as you can see, I already have, which has it located here. Now, let me explain. You see this fancy rod right here? And if you look in there, you're going to see that it pushes, maybe it'll focus. You see it pushes a cup in there. Well, it's kind of a piston, as you can see. Let's see if I can get my finger over here where you can see anything. You kind of see the edge of it right there, okay? Well, it's a big piston, and of course that means it's got a sealing ring and all that good stuff. Sometimes, like whenever you have a hard freeze or something, if there's any water that is sitting in there, it's going to rust up and set on that seal, okay? And, well, the answer is to disconnect your rod here and kind of raise your lever to where this part, disconnect your rod here and raise this lever up, okay, to where it's over about here, where it's out of your way. And use the rod and a nice rubber hammer and give it a slap or two. Don't be afraid. Give it a slap or two and free that dude. And once it's free, you can put all this back together and your 3-point issues are going to be a thing of the past. Alright, y'all. Glad I was finally able to follow up on that and kind of give you some what's up on it. By the way, don't be afraid to click those buttons down at the bottom. Like, subscribe, maybe even share with the townsfolk. Alright, see you soon. Thanks for watching.